Bantek RE500 is a high-performance, pure epoxy mortar formulated for exceptional load-bearing and bonding strength in chemical anchoring applications. Specially designed for heavy-duty construction needs, it ensures secure fixing of chemical anchor bolts with long-term durability and resistance to extreme conditions. A hammer drill machine to create a hole 2 millimeters to 4 millimeters larger than the diameter of the chemical anchor bolt. Ensure the drilling depth matches the required embedment length. Then initial cleaning air pressure. Use an air pressure pump to blow out loose dust, dirt, and debris from the drilled hole. Then scrub with nylon brush. Insert a nylon cleaning brush into the hole and scrub thoroughly to remove fine dust particles stuck to the surface.